In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize notes on Google Keep. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for keeping all your thoughts, reminders, and lists in one handy digital space, but it's easy to get overwhelmed if things aren't organized. So let's dive right in and learn how to keep everything tidy and accessible. First, make sure you're on your Google browser. It's crucial to start here because Google Keep syncs across your devices, and starting on your browser makes the rest of the steps seamless. Once you're in your browser, look for the Google Apps icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of your Google homepage, just a little square made up of smaller squares. Clicking on that will open up a drop-down menu with a list of Google services. Now, let's find Google Keep. Once you've opened the Google Apps drop-down, you should see an array of icons. Just navigate through them until you find the one that says Keep. Simply click it and you'll be taken directly to the Google Keep homepage where all your notes reside. At this stage your notes might be looking a bit chaotic, but don't worry, we're here to fix that. Start by color coding your notes. Google Keep allows you to change the color of your notes via a color palette selection. This is an incredibly useful feature for visually categorizing your information. For instance, try using one color for work-related notes and another for personal reminders. This visual differentiation can make sifting through your notes much faster and clearer. Next up, enhance your notes with visuals by adding images or icons. This can make your notes more engaging and can also act as a visual cue for quick recognition. Whether it's a photo related to the task or a simple icon that symbolizes something to you, images can really bring your notes to life and make them much more memorable. Another powerful feature in Google Keep is the use of labels. Applying labels to your notes allows for efficient sorting and searching, and it's essentially like tagging them for easy retrieval later. If you find yourself constantly searching for specific notes, then assigning relevant labels will save you a significant amount of time. You might label notes based on projects, priority levels, or even time-sensitive tasks. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, organizing via Google Keep, color coding, adding imagery and applying labels, you transform your Google Keep experience from cluttered to clean, making your note-taking and retrieval process easier and more efficient. Try these tips today and see how much more manageable your digital organizing can be. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.